So there are many things to be investigated, and they are just hints what we might look for. And now from Microvita point of view, it is interesting to concentrate on that point where the boson starts, and whether that point has peculiarities to make the wave in that way or in that way, to make it more synchronized or less, more rotating or less rotating, no rotation at all. So all these things will be inside that microvitum, which is the source of the running wave. So now the next step is that we have a lot of electricity in every cell. The membrane, the outer membrane, is a place of electric potential. If it is a electrically active cell, that potential will break down and will be get up again. Again, it breaks down, and if it is a normal cell, just an organ cell, then this breakdown of electric potential doesn't happen as frequently as in a muscle cell or as in a nerve cell. But nevertheless, it has a resting potential, and that will also fluctuate. It is not fixed like in a machine. So there will always be an interaction between the electric field produced by that membrane and the ordered water, which is coming out of its original position and going back into its original position. Because whenever that dipole is shifting, it is changing its electromagnetic field around. And if this happens in a synchronized way, like in a wave running around, then it influences the electric field, which was originally there from the membrane potential only. So there is a feedback between these two things. They are interlinked and they are connected to each other. But they are basically two different processes. And that makes it interesting. It is not only the electric field, but there is something else which is interacting with that, isn't it? I think they are even exchanging photons, because I guess I need reconfirmation. Because when the dipole is skipping and coming back, it should emit one photon.
That process is an exchange field. So what's happening is it's not necessarily a photon in the sense that it doesn't have to be an exchange, but it is electromagnetic. So you have a wave which is traveling with that disturbance.
Yes.
And that's an electromagnetic wave.
Yes.
So in that sense, it is a photon, but it's a photon which is slowed down to the speed of that thing's motion. So it's called a quasi-particle.
What? How?
It's called a quasi-particle.
Yeah, quasi-particle.
So it's not an actual thing.